So that's the end of Sheldon's story as a soldier. Now this is the author talking again. Sheldon Russell Curtis was released from Andersonville prison some months later, weighing no more than 78 pounds. Andersonville was built to hold only 10,000 prisoners, but by the end of the war it held 33,000 soldiers. There was no fresh water, no shelter, and no food. 13,000 men and boys died of starvation and dysentery. Sheldon Curtis returned to his home and recovered. He settled in Berlin Township in Saranac, Michigan. He married Abigail N. Barnard and fathered 7 children. He became a grandfather and a great-grandfather during his long lifetime. He died a very old man in 1924. Pincus Aili never returned home. For him, there was to be no wife, no children, no grandchildren to remember him. It was told that he was hanged within hours after he was taken into Andersonville. His body was thrown into a lime pit. This is a true story. I know this story to be true because Sheldon Russell Curtis told his daughter Rosa. Rosa Curtis Stowell told it to her daughter, Estella. Estella Stowell Barber, in turn, told it to her son, William. He then told me, his daughter, Patricia. When my father finished this story, he put out his hand and said, "This is the hand that has touched the hand that has touched the hand that shook the hand of Abraham Lincoln." So Patricia Polacco, the author, is the relative of Sheldon, the soldier in the story. This book serves as a written memory of Pincus Aili, since there are no living descendants to do this for him. So Pincus died and there was nobody left to tell his story from his family. When you read this, before you put this book down, say his name out loud and vow to remember him always.